Hello, Flutter enthusiasts. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Flutter with a focus on animated containers. As you can see, the shape and color of our container is getting changed every time whenever I'm tapping on this container. If you want this same behavior in your next big project, then please follow along with me in this video. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please give you feedback in the comments. So let's start. And one more thing, if you want to follow the written tutorial, then you can follow my article. In this article, I have explained all the things related to animated container, and I've also provided all the source code and its explanation. I've provided the link of this article in the description and pinned comment. So let's jump to our IDE. So here, I'm having an empty project, in which I've created this my animated container class. And I've called this class from our myApp class. Now come to our animated container state class. And from here, remove this container and a scaffold widget, and for the scaffold's body give it an empty container. So in our animated container, there are three properties which is getting changed all the time, whenever we tap onto this. So we need to create three variables for these properties. So let's create them one by one. So for height and width, create a container size and give a value of 100. So that, initially our container will look like in a square shape. You can create two different variables for them, but for this tutorial purpose I'm creating only one. Next thing is color of container. So here create a color variable, as container color and give it a color blue as default color. And the last thing is border radius of our container. So here create a last border radius geometry variable for our container's border radius. And give it a default value of 8. That's it for the variables section. Now let's create a method which will change our containers these three properties. So let's create a change container properties method. And inside this method we will change these properties. So first make use of setState so that whenever these value is going to change then the state of our app also change. First let's make change for container size. For doing that, we will make use random class with next double function. This function will return the value between 0.0 and 1.0. So now multiply this value with 200 and add the 50 in it. So we will have the final value between 50 and 250. Now let's assign the value for container color. So for that write color dot from our GBO, and again, we will make use of random class. But this time we are going to use next int and inside it, write 256. So it will give us value between 0 to 256. And copy paste this same value for red, green and blue. And give opacity 1 so that it will give the color in full intensity. Now for the last part border radius, we will again use random class with next double function. And then multiply this value with 100 so, now we will have value between 0 to 100. And that's it my friends. Now come in this build method and remove the container from here and make use of center widget. And for its child write gesture detector so that whenever we tap onto this, then we can call our this change container properties method. So inside on tap callback, call our method and for its child, write animated container, and inside it for height and width assign container sizes value. For duration give it value of 2 seconds. So that it will take 2 seconds to animate these changes. Now for decoration section assign the color and border radius property to it. Now for animated containers child make use of center widget and inside it, make use of text widget, and inside it write tap me and give our this text a white color and save the program. And run the program. So our app is installed on this simulator. And as I am tapping on this container its shape and color is getting changed all the time. So that's it my friends. If you found this video helpful then please subscribe to channel and comment down below what you like or don't like in this video.